Bob Fowler here with MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida, and I'm standing in front of the crown jewel of the Harris pontoon boat line. This, of course, is the Crowne, and it is a great pontoon, great boat. A little bit about Harris. 1957, they invented the pontoon. So would you think they know how to build a good pontoon? I would think so. Let's go back here at the back and point out some things for you very quickly. First of all, you've got the fender storage for all your fenders on both sides, and love this wide ladder. We get reaction from folks, they've never had this kind of a wide ladder, especially for elderly folk to get up out of the water. It's just really great. This has the 350 Verado, and with the digital control, so quiet, so smooth, so efficient, so fast. This boat, you'll be passing most other boats on the water, and you'll get their reaction, and they'll go, "Oh my God, it's a pontoon." Their construction, I just invite you to go on the YouTube and go to Harris pontoons and see how they build them. I could go into all kinds of things about it, but I don't want to bore you, but I do want to tell you that it's built better than any other pontoon on the entire industry. Well, I'm sitting here at the helm of this beautiful Harris Crowne, and as you can see, it has the glass dash with all your controls here, all the information that you would need as the captain, you know, you've got all of your controls for your stereo and for your devices and your controls. Again, I mentioned how smooth they are. This is the digital controls for Mercury, and I love this captain's chair. It's so comfortable. And when I'm talking about comfort, I've got 8 grandchildren, and when my children and my grandchildren are coming and we're going to spend some time together out on the water, and my wife, their favorite boat is a Harris pontoon. They say, "Papa, can we go out on a Harris?" And so Kathy, that's her favorite as well. She wants to be out on a Harris because of the comfort, the room for the entire family and friends, and the way they ride. I just can't tell you. I was not a real pontoon advocate, but with Harris, I've been in 3-foot seas, 3-foot bay, whatever it may be, and you don't even hardly tell it. It is so smooth, so quiet, and so dry. Also, this arch, it electrically goes down. As you can see, it's got the canvas and the plexiglass up here. Just so beautiful. I want to show you one other thing that as I walk forward on the boat, you got the JBL audio system in the boat. You got in deck storage over here. And one thing that Harris has as well, the doors will withstand 400 pounds of pressure. That means your children, your family, your friends, they're secure. You're not going to push that door in. And that's, again, some of the construction in a Harris that I could go through, and your decking, all of the cross members, your tubes. Go to YouTube, look up Harris, see how they're built. And again, this is the crown jewel. This is the Crowne Harris float boat pontoon right here, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Love to see you. Number here is 850-527-5645. And again, this is Bob Fowler wishing you a blessed day. Bye-bye.